Mrs. Dancing Paintbrush, and today what I have is a watercolor demonstration at our Society of West Coast Artists group here in the San Joaquin Valley. And today this is Sandy Kowallis.
Across it, let's say, and we'll have some of these kind of clouds. They're always good.
She's putting on the sky, and this was a really fascinating demo. I apologize for the shaking of the camera.
And some of those colors are going to come through, which makes it really nice. This is a good way to do fog too. All right. And I can always put more blue up at the top. And then I'll get into controlling what I've got going on down lower. It doesn't run away from me.
I love her enormous brush and use of a lot of water.
And I did mask out those barns, which I prefer not to do, but I did, so too bad. There's some nice blues in there. I can even take, I've used a 300-pound paper, so if I wanted to, you know, sometimes the clouds are kind of like streaked like that, and then they have puffier areas like that. And I actually pull some of it out with this paper. Not every paper will allow you to do that. Which I really like, but it's getting super expensive to do. There we go. All right, get this back under control here. But I have a sky at least. Okay. And pull some of these out. I don't want it quite so dark there. There's going to be some hills back there, so just pull that out. Always remembering that the brush is puts the paint on and takes it off. Thank goodness. Just pull those down a little bit. And I can still see the line I had for my mountains back there. Just pull a little more of that out. This is a good technique to make paper trails. Somebody's in great demand today.
You have a Tinkerbell ring on your phone?
That's why my mind works.
Is he part of your club?
He's Tinkerbell.
I don't think that's very pretty, but whatever it is, it is. Bring some green into it. Without getting too muddy. Excuse me. Are we getting somewhere here?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's beautiful.
And this right there will be, I want that tree to come over. And one of my old favorites.
You paint little birds or little animals in your painting?
Yeah, there we go. This one look like it needs it?
Nah.
No, that falls under the category of detail anyway.
I'll do that. I do portraits of dogs and cats.
So here's our final, when Sandy finally finished up. Fascinating. I hope you enjoyed this little trip into memory lane with a demo by Sandy Kowallis. Do come again. I enjoy doing these. Thanks so much, and do subscribe. Bye now.